Mike's just hooked himself something here. Not sure what it is yet. Well, it looks like a nice big fish. Is he taking line? Hey? Just move back here, Mike, in the shallow. If he's pulling really hard, just let him do that. And you know, if he pulls really hard and takes line, that's okay. Yeah, looks like a nice bull trout there. Just keep your tip bent and. So we can bring them like into like 6 inches of water over here where it's nice and slow. That's good. That's good, Mike, right there. Yeah, just swing that line, you know, right to you. Grab that leader. And what you can do is, oops, that's a good fish.